Hey, how you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today it's gonna be a moving vlog plus like a mini apartment tour. So let's get this started. So of course I start the day off, no sleep, all-nighter. Hi, I'm Erin.
Have you subscribed yet?
I do not sleep. Honestly, I pulled an all-nighter last night, so it's a problem, I know. So I was rushing to pack the night before and I had to say goodbye to my childhood room. Do not look too close, okay? It's a mess. And no, I did not bring my car with me. I had to say bye to it. It's time to leave and I'm gonna miss my car. The lease is up, so I can't take it back. My dad's gonna do it for me. Bye, princess. You were good to me. Okay, time to go. So yeah, the lease of my car is up. My dad got a rental and we were going from Detroit, Michigan to New York City, New York. As soon as I arrived, I got the test and I am negative, of course. So let me quickly tell you guys the finding an apartment process. So I am a Columbia student. I'm part of student housing. So it was pretty much a first come, first serve type of thing. They showed you like a list of apartments, a list of locations, and the one that you pick is the one that you get. So the only type of like requirements that I really wanted is I wanted a washer and dryer inside the unit. I wanted good security. And I want the space to be big enough for just little old me plus cost efficient. So it was low-key nerve-wracking because it showed a list of apartments and people were picking out those apartments like boom, boom, boom. And I'm like, ooh. So I just picked out the first apartment that I was like, okay, this is a good location. This is a decent price. I'm gonna pick it. So this was like my initial shock. I did not buy any furniture in advance because I did not know exactly how the space was going to look. Do not be like me. Do not buy furniture in advance. So when I first walked in, the first thing that I really noticed was the floor, oddly enough. And then I noticed the kitchen and I noticed how high the cabinets were. And I'm an itty bitty person, so having cabinets up that high, I need to get a stool. And I also noticed like this weird empty space area next to the bathroom. And then I noticed the bathroom, which is really small. Yeah. It's something. Sounds better than nothing. So yeah, for $1,500 a month in New York City, 332 square feet. Honestly, the pros outweigh the cons, so I wasn't that upset about it. I was like, okay, this looks nice. I could make this work. I could work with this. So after moving in, we got some food. New York City has some bomb restaurants. Like I said before, do not be like me. Do not buy no furniture. So I had to go shopping, of course. Getting this air mattress from Costco. It was a queen size air mattress and I ended up getting like the sheets from Target. And thank goodness for my dad and his best friend for helping me move during a pandemic, because this was a completely nerve-wracking experience nonetheless. So this is how my apartment looked the very first night. Do not mind the boxes. Okay, I just moved in. There's boxes gonna be everywhere at first. So the next day I was like, let me just go to campus, get my ID and like explore a little bit, walk around. The bookstore is huge compared to my undergrad university. That bookstore, I was like, wow. Campus, beautiful. There was welcome signs everywhere, balloons everywhere. People had their masks on, but they looked all happy. I don't know how to do that. And also slowly but surely, you know, the furniture started coming in that I ordered, so I became Bob the Builder. Firstly, I put together this shoe rack that I got from Target to go right by the front door because Like, my god sister told me when you walk in, you don't want to bring New York City with you. So as soon as I walk in, I take off my shoes. I bought a shoe rack to put my shoes exactly right by the door for when I walk in and when I'm ready to leave.
Didn't last too long. And Lord never loved her.
Ooh my gosh, ooh my gosh, ooh my gosh, I'm excited. Ooh my gosh, ooh my gosh, ooh my gosh, I'm excited.
I love the way she calls. Whoa, these days it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
The next thing to arrive was my bookshelf. I am a fiction writer, so of course I need a bookshelf for all the books that I have. I didn't bring that many. Then the most annoying thing happened. There was no Wi-Fi. When I first moved in, I was constantly unpacking boxes, putting stuff together. I didn't notice I was using the data on my phone until like a few days before classes started. I'm like, I'm doing classes through Zoom. I need Wi-Fi to do this. So classes start in a few days. I was panicking low-key. I had to make so many different phone calls. It was a complete mess. And now I have Wi-Fi, thank goodness. And then another piece of furniture came. It was my kitchen cart. The cabinets are so high that I just needed something to be on the ground with me, so I don't have to constantly get on the step stool and go up and down trying to get stuff. Now, that wasn't the last piece of furniture. My apartment isn't fully decked out yet. Hopefully the full apartment tour will be coming in November. Do not quote me on that, but I feel comfortable enough to like show you guys what I have so far. I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna give you guys like a mini tour. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So initially, this is what you see when you first walk in. I'm standing at the front door. To my left is my mirror, the shoe rack. I got these hooks from the dollar store to hang up my keys and my mask. Wear your masks. Wash your hands. Okay, so you walk farther in. That's the filming setup right now. This is my dresser from IKEA. The first drawer has undergarments, pajamas. The second drawer has all my shirts, and the third drawer has all my bottoms. It's a TV. Over here is the AC unit. That was a gift. Everything right here is from Home Goods, except for Charlie, my plants. Charlie was a gift. The curtains are also from Home Goods, and yes, that is a hair tie keeping this up. I put the drawing my best friend made for me up here for now. I'm probably gonna put this on the wall later, but this is gonna be the future filming setup. I kind of want to put more pillows right here, but I haven't decided yet. Let me know if you think this is cute. Over here is my backpack. I don't wear it that often. I just got some candles because it's fall season. This bookshelf is from the Container Store. On the first level is a painting that I made, my sunglasses, and my prayer box. Whenever I'm stressed, I write down some prayers. The second level has some books that I haven't read yet, nail polish, makeup stuff. Another painting that I made. This little elephant has all my jewelry. I do not have a lot. More makeup stuff. My planner, my journal, and the book that I'm currently reading, plus some pens. This is from Home Goods. This is from IKEA. All my remotes for the TV and the AC unit. Trash, tissues for my incense. I'm not going to show you what's inside these drawers. It's a mess. The beds from IKEA, the mattress from IKEA, sheets, blankets, pillowcases from Target. This burger I got from Dave & Buster's as a prize. Don't worry about this, it ripped, and I'm going to get a new one. Coming around, I really want to put something in this open space right here. I don't know if I want it to be a table and chair, a little like love seat and table, coffee table type of deal. I haven't really decided yet, but that's going to be the new addition in November. And also a rug to go under here. This is my closet. I only have one closet. I have all of my sweaters, blazers, and my robe, and my umbrella, and belts, and fanny packs all hanged up. Laundry basket right here. Up here in this basket, I have detergent, dryer sheets, extra soap, extra masks, extra toothbrushes, toothpaste, things like that. It's my toolbox. In this bin right here, I have braiding hair, my art supplies, and like miscellaneous stuff I couldn't find a spot for. On top of that is a shelf that I want to go above the TV that hasn't been mounted yet. I got that from Target. Coming to the kitchen area. It's my fridge with its squeaks. All the food. I don't have much food. Up here in this first one, which I could barely reach, is all my Tupperware and then some rice. These are all my plates, bowls, mugs, my cups, and my wine glasses. Up here is oils, cereal, crackers, and different stuff like aluminum foil and sandwich bags. This is my sink area. This is right here is from Marshall's. This tea kettle was a gift. These are from Home Goods. And the next one is like pasta, sugars, seasonings, all stuff like that. Extra cups. Down here is like cans that I could get some money for, Clorox wipes, all my cleaning supplies is down here, extra paper towels, trash bags, you know, things like that. Dish soap. This is my step stool that I used to even get up there in the first place. My trash is right here. Also, I have this like little bag where I put my recycling in. Over here is my kitchen carts. It's not fully decked out yet. I have my fruit bowl, my pumpkins here, and my cauldron, which has the candy still in the bag because if I open it now, I will finish it in a day. So I'm leaving it alone. I really like this because I could just come over here and get my stuff. And this one has all of my silverware, which is from Walmart. And this one has like spoons and stuff like that, measuring cups, also from Walmart and the dollar store because I'm cheap. Microwave, my NutriBullet, all my pots and pans down here, oven mitts, and extra, what's it called? And extra like drying towels. This entire kitchen cart is from Home Depot. It took a minute to put together. Let's go to the bathroom. Down here is a rug from Target. I love it. Trash can is from Home Goods. A toilet paper holder is from Home Goods. Down here it's a mess. It has first aid kit, pads, tampons, things like that. Got my soap. Got some hand sanitizer. I got some hand napkins for people who want to, you know, wipe off their hands. All my extra towels. Up here is like the natural hair thing. This has like bobby pins and hair ties in it. Spray bottle, gel, cream, mousse, leave-in conditioner, hair mask, shampoo, conditioner. All my like tools, I guess, like the brushes and the combs and the scissors and things like that. Honestly, I did not bring a lot of like hair styling stuff, as y'all can see, so I'm hoping to buy some more. Up here says extra toilet paper. My current favorite, Febreze spray, cranberry, love the smell of it. Mouthwash, lotion, Q-tips. They're leaning like this because when they were standing straight up, they would fall on me, so I had to leave them like that. And this entire rack is from Home Goods that I put over the toilet. Hi! The only thing inside the shower right now is my shower cap and my washcloth and some soap. It's a medicine cabinet. I feel so grown to have a medicine cabinet. Down here is like face wash, deodorant, face moisturizer, Vaseline, face scrub that I just bought from Marshall's. Up here it's like teeth stuff that is not organized at all. Toothbrush, toothpaste, flossers, my current spray thingy for my body, cherry blossom from Bath & Body Works. Up here is the actual medicine that goes into the medicine cabinet, you know, Tylenol, ibuprofen, allergy medicine, cold, headache, yeah. And I think that's my entire apartment that you guys saw. It's gonna look a little different in about a month or two, but I'm really excited to add some more things. Like I want to change the shower curtain. I want to add a rug, like I said. I want to have some type of seating area right here. I'm not saying I'm gonna have guests, but I usually eat in my bed, so I want to add something right here that's a little bit more formal. I want to have art all along this wall and have a shelf right above the TV, which is that gold shelf I haven't put up yet. I want to add some more pillows, but this little cute little section I think is complete. I think over here it looks pretty good. I might add something, maybe just like some art above my bed or something like that. And yeah, that is a full mini tour of my tiny studio apartment that costs a lot of money. Honestly, this whole thing still feels like a dream. It just doesn't feel real at all. I wake up smiling because like I have a place. Like it's not perfect, but like it's perfectly mine. I haven't met like a single rude person yet. The doorman is pretty cool. The people that I see when I do go outside, they're also friendly. I feel pretty safe. I've gotten lost twice. And I was walking at night during those 2 occasions that I did get lost, and I didn't feel like completely unsafe. I don't know, New York is just pretty cool. And honestly, the only like expensive thing that I had to pay for is rent and food. So $1,500 a month for 332 square feet is ridiculous. But I'm going to make this experience, you know, worth it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.